car.
Man, what time did you leave?
We left at 1:30, Dad.
How fast were you driving? Faster than normal, faster than what you should be.
Yeah, we was doing about
80.
Yeah, we kept it kind of legal in California.
Yeah.
Then we bumped it. When we came to Oregon, I bumped it up to 75, 70 with everybody else.
God.
So let's unwrap it and then we can talk about it. It's got two filters on the motor. It's got one here, and there's one further back because this one came with one. No, it's right there. Oh no, I moved it right here. One here and one here, just to keep if any dirt's in the gas lines, whatever.
Where's the other one at?
Here and here.
Oh.
I said it right there.
Oh, okay.
And because I'd had it originally further back,
Yeah.
which made no sense because it was too far back to get access to. And then I zip tied, made sure the gas line stayed off the exhaust because it was right up on it.
Yeah.
And so, what else? That's pretty much about it. And I put the hose on here. This made the heater work.
Yeah.
I put these in here. These prevent water from coming in, but it doesn't stop air. It's called hypertropic speaker grill stuff.
Oh.
And it keeps water from coming in here because I noticed it's wet one day right here.
Yeah.
And so I said, okay, let me spray that up here and glued it in, and so it keeps it because the water from getting up over here. Yeah. And you have no oil drips up top. This was me because I overflowed it earlier today. This little spot right here, and the oil is topped off and everything, and it didn't need no oil. It don't smoke. The other motor smoked too a little bit when it first comes on. What else did I see? So I got that to go pretty good.
Yeah.
Mistake was made on these. These are for 71 to 73. And I noticed that when I went to put them on because it created a gap. I didn't know the lights got bigger. So I said 50-50, I go in or out. I said, you know what, I'm going in. And so if you want to change it, it's not super hard to change it. If that annoys you after a while, a wiper on the car, you keep staring at it like, damn, I can't live with that. But if that's the case, there's two screws right directly behind it that lifts it up.
Yeah.
And what I would do instead of trying to unplug the wiring and risk not putting them back where they were, what I did was I chopped it right here.
Oh, okay.
And chopped it straight across the line to the center hole where the wires come at, so I could just pull the cover around it and drop it over two studs, and that lined it right up. And so I did that on both sides instead of trying to take the wire out of it.
Okay,
So I made the cut on the inside so you don't...
It's on the inside. And
Yeah, you wouldn't see it. So
right.
It'll keep it, when you're doing something it won't be in your face. So I figured since you told me you was in the detailing stuff, you can get this wax stuff up out of there. The roof did get scratched the first time because I put the lights on the wrong way, but it's not major scratches, but I figured it out on the second go around. Put tape on it, then put this on top of that.
Yeah.
And it makes more sense because before I had some tape here to lay on there and it put scratches, but then I just figured it out, even a better technique. Instead of running the wire on top like I did, I should have drooped it through the car. I'm halfway here. I'm looking at it. You know what, Robert? The wire should have been inside the car.
That way
I wouldn't have had to do all this to keep it from beating on the car because it's got marks again up here. So now you got to take some wax to fix that. Let me see. I'm gonna fire it up in a second. Here, let me unlock the door. Do you want this? I have no use for it, but if the car ever had to get towed to the shop or something,
I'll keep it.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
It's I'm taking my lights with me. I might want those for something. Okay. Let me see. Let me unlock this door here. Okay. Let me see what else. You got the battery's unhooked up, but steering wheel.
Wow.
Horn works. It came out pretty good, huh?
That's nice. How'd you come up with that design?
It was already on the car.
Oh, really?
When we first bought it, it was there.
Oh, okay, wow.
But I had bought more of it in black and with the vents on in case you wanted it that way. But you had said the blue, put that back on the car.
Yeah.
So I put it back on and I reinstalled this.
Yeah.
And I got the pull bar because didn't have one, but I got one for it. All the little stuff I had to go find, and then it's like that, and it's got a radio for the face that goes over here.
Oh.
And so the way it works is a spring-loaded scenario like this. So when you put it on the two poles, you like that, then like that. And how it works, because I couldn't figure a key wire, so when it's to turn it off, just hold the off button. It'll turn it all the way off. And then the sources through the AM, FM, the USB and stuff. I'm gonna put the battery on it and show you how it all works in a second.
Okay.
You got your tire iron. This is the one for the Allen, yeah. So you got This is one that should go into the Allen for the wheels.
Oh, okay.
And then there's a there's a little Allen in there that goes to the knockoffs. In case one of the knockoffs is blocking the blocking one of the bolts. Yeah, but they own it pretty tight where you could just basically you probably should be able to move a little bit. But if you get really hard and they don't want to move, find the Allen because it got blue Loctite and just back it up a little bit and twist it out the way.
Okay.
And so I included this in that. The hood works just a little like that. And so how you like the inside?
I like that wheel.
Yeah, the other wheel was too small. It was like a little donut wheel. Let me see. Let's get back here and connect this battery. This was an extra one that came with that interior I bought. And so let me put this back on here. And so also you got seat belts in the back in case you ever did have passengers, but they're mostly there for looks because I doubt if you'd be riding with friends or whatever in here in the back because it is a small car. You got your speakers in the back across here and just pull your lever and you got access to underneath here.
Oh, I see you propped it up.
I propped it up on there, yeah.
Okay.
And so then just bam, and it locks back. And that's pretty much it for the inside tour of the car.
That looks good. You got a nice deal on those seats, man.
Yeah, I got it for $250 for all of them.
All of them, yeah.
I was like, oh man, I got to have this right here. Let's put him neutral. He should.
And those floor mats.
Well, if it's happening one time, he should come right on. And you're on. Just like that. And yeah, that's pretty much how it works.
Yeah.
Everything. You got your a phone holder.
Oh yeah.
I got you a cigarette lighter here that comes on when the key is on. The thing for the there. Now you see the lights on the floor on the ceiling are on. So as soon as you step in here, open the door, they're gonna pop on. You got your interior light. That's LED also. So it's pretty bright in here at night. So no mistakes.
Headline looks really nice.
Oh yeah, they did a pretty good job.
Yeah,
No complaints.
oh yeah.
They lost the original one, so I had to go find some more. Luckily, if not, these things were like, how much were they? They were, I think about $150 for new ones. So I ended up buying these, and so, but I found these in the other ones they had at the wrecking yard. I was about to die in black, but didn't like it wanted to cooperate, so I just quit with that. But I ended up buying these over because they only gave me one black one, so I bought these over. And when you move that mirror, I noticed it can't jump off, so you gotta like put your hand here and do it like that because the whole thing twists out. It's kind of like a locking mechanism. Because when I got the car back, it was off, and I had to figure out how it reattaches. It don't like just click in. It's like sits sideways, it twists and locks in. So that was something I noticed. But actually now it won't do it because these are keeping it in place. I just saw that now. See, it won't because these two lock it. So it was the way the car was built. You got your new. These are new too here. What else did I do? Put the floor mats so you got your blue.
Yeah. Where'd you find the blue floor mats at?
Online.
Oh, really?
Yeah, then I just cut them and kind of made them to the floor.
Oh, okay.
And so let me pop, I'll show you under the hood. Go ahead and open up that there. So you got your, I made a whole compartment right here for you. And inside of here is the four-way and that. And I fought with this thing the other day because it was sticking. Now it works. Before it wouldn't go halfway, it wouldn't get the car off the ground. And after I figured it out, I oiled it and ran it up and down about 5 times. And in the video, you're gonna see it acting funny, but I kept playing with it and get it working right.
Because usually it goes right there.
Yeah, and I couldn't figure really how it sat in there, how low it needed to be for it to sit there.
Yeah.
But I just put this stuff in here, that way it wouldn't be rattling around inside the car. And you could actually throw this mat on top of it if you really didn't want to see it. Like pick it up there. I was thinking about you leave it there, like lay that back down, and you just do this over the top of it. And bam. And now it's locked in there, you know. And so this part they don't sell, so I was lucky they had one at the wrecking yard, and I was able to get a hold of that. And it works with them knobs. You twist them, it'll let the fresh air in, or it'll switch to defrost. All depends how you do the knobs.
Yeah.
I got the knobs switched now, so it's blowing the air from the motor into the car.
Yeah.
That's about it. Inside there, this is the official spare.
Yeah.
You got your new tires are in here. Which I'll get those out for you in a second.
Yeah.
So you got all brand new ones there, and with the center cap. So if you want to switch them or whatever you want to do.
I will do the summertime. I'll be able to change up.
Change up, yeah. And these tires were in pretty good condition. So we I put what was I gonna say? Yeah, they were in pretty good condition. That's why I said let me just buy these and as opposed to trying to fix the other ones. So how you like that knockoff? How can with that?
That looks sharp. Yeah. All right, they all fixing.
Oh yeah, they're pretty close. Yeah. Yeah.
That looks good. Yeah, that's a nice look.
Oh, and the locking thing that was on here, they didn't fix that, so it's magnetized.
Oh.
Because I was like, how's this thing open? And I'm sitting here pushing on it, and then I noticed it had a magnet. Because the normal way, it has some type of lock right here that you pull from over here.
Yeah.
But I saw that, I said, oh, okay, that's how they got that working.
Yeah.
But yeah, you got your new seals all the way around. Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
Okay, so what you think?
Too good.
Too good?
Too good. Looks sharp.
Here we are in Troutdale, Oregon. We're gonna see if it'll fit in the garage. So how'd it feel when you were around the corner?
Not bad.
Not bad at all?
Yeah.
Okay, let's ease him up for, see if we can get him in the garage. Okay, I see you got it back. Brakes pretty good, huh?
Oh yeah. The finish line. Here we are.
Well, here we go. Where we at today, Dad?
Today we are in Troutdale, Oregon, and we have come to the conclusion of my son working on this Volkswagen for me, a 1970 Volkswagen, and he did a hell of a job, and I'm really proud of him, and I really appreciate everything that he's done for me. You know, my son.
That's me. That's who. Who do I want to thank? Me. That's who.
That's
And this man right here for giving me the inspiration. As a child, supply me with model cars and stuff to help make me mold the person I am. Him and my mama did a great job, and I helped to push that forward on my children to be the best they can be. And they've been there to help me out along their way, And so that's where I'm at with it. As y'all see, the Volkswagen has a new home. We towed it up today. Here we go right there. It's here in Oregon now. It's going to be garage kept too now. I see he made a spot in the garage for it. And so me and the wife, she put up with me through this whole ordeal, and she just watched me go and go and go and go. And we've been to here, to Mesco and beyond, getting parts for it and seeing it to the finish line. So like I said, this is going to be the last videos of the Volkswagen project. And no, I don't want any more Volkswagens. People have been trying to give me Volkswagens, sell me Volkswagens. It's an interesting car, but it's not really for me. My dad said he used to drive one, so we got another one. And he has showed me he got behind the wheel, it came right back to him how to handle it. So, yeah. Well, that's all I got to say. Money's Car Stereo. Money Stereo Installation. We out.